Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Jollying Pebble collapsible luggage suitcase. Check this thing out. You wouldn't think like a normal suitcase would fit in here, and you would be right, because there's no way a normal suitcase would fit in here. This is a very small bag. Oh, that is cool. So if you're into traveling, you know that if you have a bunch of suitcases, they can take up a lot of space, and space can be a premium. Look at that. This is made out of like, what is this, polycarbonate? Dun, 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 dun. It's polycarbonate and polyester. So we got a nice polycarbonate shell. Check that out. It's got the, what is that called? Oh my goodness. All right, TSA locks, as well as the combination. There, I got it. Combination. Let's see. Pop that open. Very nice. What do we got here? Good size zippers. All right, a magnetic clasp here on that side. That is cool. So that just pops open. This is it. The little ones here just keep your suitcase like collapsed, and this just pop off. We can unzip this real quick. Man, why am I having trouble talking? This is ridiculous. Okay, let's open this thing up here. Very cool. This is like a little carry-on size here. Inside we have like a, wow, nice complimentary bag here for like suits and things like that. Let's move that off to the side. Very nice. Check out the inside here. We also have warranty certification and if you guys know, oh, okay. I think this is one of those little like those Mr. Clean, like magic markers. So if you get a little smudge on it to clean it off, I believe that's what it is. I was like confounded there for a second, but if I'm not mistaken, that's pretty sweet. So it comes with that. You know, sometimes your luggage gets thrown around, get some smudges on there or what have you. All right, look at that. So this expands up like this, and we got here, those can just go down there like that. Press that in there, and that snaps into place. As easy as you please. Boom, okay. This one goes in here also. And I believe that just pops down into the bottom right there as well. This should go up over the top and snap down. Where did that go? On this side? Okay, yes. And that just snaps into place. This one pops up as well and snaps into place. Wow, super easy to do, guys. Put this last one on there. Okay, check that out. That is sweet, guys. Excellent inside here. I like the design. We have this little strap here to hold that into place. Then we can check out the outside there. Got this really cool, like kind of like a polyester outside. Is that not a sweet looking piece of luggage or what? We have this comes out nice and smooth as well. And we can see that that is a good height. This obviously collapses to different heights there as you want it. For quiet, stable, and sturdy wheels on there. Don't make any noise. And we can see that's pretty rugged, just holding it up there. So, yeah, a very nice suitcase here, guys. Really like it. These come in different colors, obviously. This is kind of like a carry-on one, but it's we have quite a few bags in our house. We've collected over the years, and they take up a lot of space. I mean, get a couple of these, but to break this down, simply just undo that. Those just fold down right into place here. This last one kind of pulls it down when you do pull that down. So that goes down just like that, and that kind of pulls this down here, collapses right here, and we zip these back up. Snap those into place right on there. I like too how the little logo, it completes the J there when you like snap that together. And then these just go right into place right there. And also on this side, easy as you please. And then you can just throw that up out of the way, and you're not going to take up all your space in your closet or your attic or whatever. So you get a few of these, and look at that. I think the regular carry-on I have, well, obviously it's going to be like this thick. So almost twice as much, if not twice as much room you're taking up. So very sweet, very stylish and cool luggage here, my friends. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys are looking for like you're traveling, this one kind of stands out. This is kind of unique too. I've never seen one like this before. The color is pretty cool as well. So you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.